Welcome to this video on how to discharge patients from Wakefield Intermediate Care on eCaMIS PAS. Log into eCaMIS and open the ward occupants for your ward. Locate the Inpatient Discharge functional component in the Inpatients group bar. You may need to scroll down to see the functional component. Use the drag and drop technique to discharge your patient. Locate the patient in ward occupants. Click, drag and drop your patient to the inpatient discharge functional component. Select Discharge Patient. Check the details in the top section of the Discharge Patient dialog box to ensure that you have selected the correct patient. We will complete all green mandatory fields only. Complete the date and time fields. The date and time should accurately reflect the time the patient was discharged and not the time that you are recording the discharge in the system. Open the Method drop-down menu. Choose an appropriate option for your patient. In this scenario, we will choose one, on clinical advice or with consent. We must enter the appropriate destination code for the patient. These are 19, usual place of residence, if the patient has been discharged home, 54, NHS-run care home, if the patient is being discharged to a care home, or 51, other hospital provider ward for general patients. This is used if the patient is being discharged to another hospital. You would use this option if you are sending the patient back to Mid-Yorks. Different method and destination codes are used if a patient has unfortunately deceased. Please see the Discharge a Patient as Deceased video for more information. For this example, we will discharge the patient to a care home. Choose 54 from the drop-down menu, or type 54 into the destination field and press the Tab key. Check that all fields have been completed correctly. Click the OK button to proceed with the discharge. The Patient Discharge Destination dialog box appears. Here we will enter the details of the receiving care home. Click the binoculars to perform a search. Type a keyword for the name of the care home you require and click the search button. Select the appropriate care home from the list and choose OK. For information about what to do if you can't find the care home you require from the list, please see the Inpatients and Ward Attenders User Guide on our intranet pages. Click OK to proceed with the discharge. Refresh the Ward Occupants view to see that your patient has successfully been discharged from WICU. For more information about the Inpatients module of eCaMIS, please view the other videos in this series, visit the digital training intranet pages, or contact the digital training team on extension 36545 or email myh-tr.itcoursebookings@nhs.net.